Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
National Vice President ke National People's Party ubalong ru sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela uba Preston Pinsong habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor mentak sengi ke arpu waitrik uyayong arajar arpulai ha office trekam jong ulaong bakat kum ke jingdawa jong ke Harijan Panchayat Committee kamlong ke bala man pun urlong ke jingdawa badru ban le na dong sedong namar ka jingdawa jong ki kalong baka Sorkar ka haban ay ka Jaka ka ba arspa square meter nangta ka Pisa ka ba arpolak Tyngka haman la ka way pa ka unit bat nakalyang jong sembut Menteri Rangba ulaong ba ka long ka bamla ban pediang namar ha ka jingelang ladep banyak keren ban wanra ya ka sandor ka bala ban menjur lang da baro ar namar mentakisngi kalong ka ba ban yo Jaka ban nakalyang ka Sorkar ka ladep ban penkre ya ka jing sandor baladep ru ban pha sya ka HPC ban ulaong ru hajing shisha kidai ban kemen namar ki yo ya ka Jaka ka badang hap hapo ka European Ward Henry hadin ka City ka baga HPC ka lapha nakalyang jong ba Preston ulaong ba yamenta umpala ban ong AA namar nakalyang jong ka Sorkar ru kan le ka badan kam ban aya ka affidavit sya ka ying bishar Meghalaya High Court Shisho ulaong ru ba ka jingkam jong kini ki Breo Punjabi ba kiladon hadu shis pa anru post nam na po kini ka Jela kalong ka ka bamla ban ngeng badla da ki kwa ban ya kun persya ay kin ya kun la benrap uba Preston
as per their demand. I think it is not possible to the government to do it everything. Will not be able to do it. Their demand is what? One is 200 square meter plot of land, and number two, 20 lakhs each unit, which is how can we consider that one? From day one itself, when we had a meeting, I told them very, very clearly, we'll have a blueprint which is acceptable to both sides, because nowadays it's not so easy to get even a plot of land. But now we prepared the blueprint and we have already sent it to them, and they get such a wonderful place, such a wonderful location, which is also falls under European world. Nothing like it. But still, when I received the letter today, so I have nothing to say right now, as I said, because again, from the government, as I said to you, we will ultimately submit our affidavit to the Honorable High Court.
The argument was that the government is not even trying to negotiate. If they're saying 200, at least come to 100 square acre of land, or at least 100. That was also their argument.
See, you go through to those arguments. They said they already here 160 years. Is it correct? Is it justified? 160 years you've been here. So therefore, I don't want to comment further. So if they want to fight, let them fight.
The blueprint which was offered by the government. So what is the government's view on this?
See, right now I will not be able to tell you anything. We will again call a meeting. Yes, I just received today that letter sent by them, which is not, from their side, they said it's not acceptable. So the plan of action, because as per the letter, it seems they don't want even to sit across the table to discuss what is the plus, what is the minus. So I'll not be able to tell you right now. Then because now this direction comes from the Honorable High Court too, that we need to sort it out. So that I think I'll be able to tell you only when we send the affidavit to the Honorable High Court.